Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will see about the hyperlink. Yeah, it's in insert option. You can see there is a link option. Okay, you can create a link for attachment, anything. If you need to open directly from the Excel, you can link it. Yeah, one of our friend is requested in the command box that he needs an hyperlink for all the PDF files. So we will gonna see how it will be works. Yeah, no problem. For example, simply we'll say one example that we are going to open a hyperlink of our document, whether Excel, PDF, anything. You can just like you can insert. Okay, so the hyperlink has been created. If you click that, the PDF will automatically opens up. Yeah, this is for only one PDF file. So if we have multiple documents, how we will open? That's we are going to see now. Yeah, that will be another is an option for that. It's not an option. You have to be a little bit work in more details. We'll see this. Okay, we will see for multiple PDF files. Okay, so how we can simply do it? We have to go for data. Okay, files from folder, and we will go to our folder site. We will select the hyperlink. If you need to that show that folder, I will show you. There are we have multiple PDF files. In simple single shot, we need to get the hyperlink for that. Okay, so we are selecting the folder, and it will be open up the power pivot. Okay, the power pivot, you need to do some additional works, combine and load. Simply will be loads one more tab. Okay, it's moved to double jump. We'll go for a shortcut another way. Select photo, okay, just we can load it because we have option. See, when you see that one, the location has already came. Okay, just like hyperlink folder is already came, the file name is already came, type also came, but we have to do some little modification on this data. Just edit. Okay, this call, this one we don't need, just remove. This extension also not required, remove. Date modified, and this one is not required, just remove these columns. This also not required, just remove. We have this. Now we are going to create new table. You can go, you can add a add column just from example. The example will be just user hyperlink. This will be big one will go with this one. There is hyperlink with download ad 9p.pdf. So it will be creates for all the items. Okay, just video. Okay, you see that it's added for all the same. It is not acceptable, so we need to edit this again. Yes. Okay, this formula is not correct. Okay, simply we can change this one. Just we will delete instead of typing this one. We will open Francis box. We will open name in the tab. Let's see tab. Okay, we will close parentheses. Yes, that's it. Give okay. See, just simply it has been type all everything. So we don't need this one. We can remove this. Then we will click. We will finish. Then we will close. Yeah, close and load. You see now we got the file. The file PDF is there, and then its location is there. Simply you can add one more cell, that link. Simple formula, hyperlink. So table name is hyperlink. You can say hyperlink the formula, fx is the formula. Select that one and select this. Link is the table name is hyperlink. That's why it's making a problem. So we will rename the table name data. So plus hyperlink of this one. So all the hyperlinks has been received for all the PDFs. Simply we will straight away you can click this one. You will get the direct this file opening 300 plus top educational psychological question and answers. Then second one will be the coolers drawing tile buckle drawing. Yeah, the drawing has been came. And third one will be some download file of the paint document. Yeah. And fourth one some other document. Same as both are the data sheets of multiple downloads. Fourth one the tickets, and then it's a form work details. Then for blue color of paint, some data sheet. FW mapping English something user name for the formworks, then crew crane range, and then the final this one hyperlink which we are open the same Excel file. It will not open again even if you double click. This is that's shortcut. When you open the Excel it will come here. Okay, so that's it friends. I hope this file will help you. If any comments required, any issues you are facing, just let me know. I will help you out. Thank you for watching the video.